Hi, this is Sherry Lynn for Just Nailed It. Today I am playing with a bottle of polish from Born Pretty that I got from Wish. It is a hollow from blue to purple to green. I don't know if you want to call it gold or yellow. It's beautiful though, and I love it. Sometimes on pictures it's always showing up purple though, and that bothers me. But we're going to finish painting my nails with it. This hand's only got one coat, so we are going to finish. I do really like this polish. I did get it from Wish. It was like either it was $3 with, I did get a discount on shipping though because I had points racked up. I have a bad habit of ordering from Wish. It's like an addiction. Because, you know, you can go on there and you can get a lot of nail art products for free and you pay $2 shipping. It makes it really hard for me to stay off of there. I haven't bought me any other than this hollow polish. I haven't bought any other polish except from Wish in quite some time now. I just really like this. So there's my second coat. I don't know if you can see the hollow in it. I am filming this with my phone, but I'm going to try and see if you can see the hollow in it too. I think here you can. I just love it. Well, you gotta wait for it to dry, then put your top coat on. Notification for something pops up on my phone. I do love this. Hope you enjoyed my short little video. Have a blessed day.